In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the top 5 solopreneur ideas to try at home. These ideas touch on a variety of different strengths and abilities. Not to mention, they all can be performed from the comfort of your couch. Let's get started learning about these solopreneur ideas that you can start today. 1. Virtual assistant. One of the top solopreneur careers you can start at home is virtual assistantship. A virtual assistant is someone who helps businesses or individuals with a variety of tasks, such as emails, scheduling, and phone services. However, all of these tasks can be performed remotely through your computer. Because of COVID-19, the need for virtual assistants has risen dramatically over the last year. If you have any experience as an assistant, a virtual assistant career may be ideal for you. 2. Life coaching. Another solopreneur idea to try at home is life coaching. A life coach classifies as a wellness professional who helps their clients improve their lives, relationships, and careers by creating strategies that target their clients' unique skills and talents. If you're someone who has counseling experience or a lot of life experience in general, you might be a good life coach. This will especially be a great career choice for you if you're someone who loves helping people find fulfillment in their life. You can be a traveling life coach, meaning that the job requires leaving your house. You could use Zoom and other online mediums to be a remote life coach, however, allowing you to perform the job at home. 3. Copywriting. If you're a good writer, a great solopreneur opportunity is in copywriting. A copywriter is a professional who writes the text, otherwise known as copy, for marketing and promotional content. For example, copywriters write a lot of the content you can find online. Copywriting is a great opportunity for you if you're good at writing and editing. You can get started in copywriting on just about any freelance website. It also costs nothing to get started if you already have a computer and internet connection. 4. Affiliate marketing. One career opportunity that is a favorite among solopreneurs around the globe is affiliate marketing. To put it simply, affiliate marketing is whenever you earn commission when promoting another person's or company's products. Affiliate marketing is a really great opportunity if you have a blog or an active social media site. In fact, affiliate marketing is a passive way to make an income, meaning you can try out other solopreneur ideas and incorporate affiliate marketing for even more money. Finally, the last solopreneur idea is course creation. Course creation is pretty much what it sounds like. It is whenever you create an educational course and put it online. If you have an educational or professional experience in a particular topic, course creation may be for you. Though course creation does require a bit of investment up front, it is an easy way to earn a passive income later on. In other words, course creation can have big payouts if you select a course topic people are interested in and are willing to pay for the tools to make the course high quality. Summary. Thanks to the internet, there are a lot of solopreneur ideas you can try at home. Virtual assistantship, life coaching, copywriting, affiliate marketing, and course creation are some of the best solopreneur careers that you can start from the comfort of your couch.